Howdy 7th grade. Today we are going to be looking at how to find the area of combined polygons. I think the best way to do this is to look at an example. So my example is going to look something like this. And I'm going to fill in some side lengths for us. So this is going to be a 10. Over here I'm going to have a 7. Down bottom I'm going to have a 15. And up top I want to have, let's make that a 10. That looks like about 10. Why not? So if I'm given this and I'm asked to find the area, let me do that in green just so that it's all the same and I can work on a different color. Find area. What I'm going to want to do, I'm going to start off by trying to fill in as many of the missing side lengths as I can, because I don't know how long this is and I don't know how long that is, and that's bothering me. So I know that from top to bottom this thing is 10 long, and over here from top to bottom this thing should be 10 long. So that right there I know is 10. But from here to here I know is 7. That means from here to the top, well, that has to be whatever 10 minus 7 is. That's going to be 3. Next up, I know that from side to side this thing is 15 long. Oh, not what I wanted to do. From side to side this thing is 15 long. I know from here to here is 10. That means that this part that's left has to be 15 minus 10. It's whatever's left. So it has to be 5. And just like that, I have all of my side lengths. So now I'm going to redraw it just because I like redrawing things. It makes my life easier most of the time with all of these lengths that we now know. So I know I have a 10, 15, 10, 3, 5, and 7. But I don't know how to find the area of a weird fat L shape. So instead I'm going to break this up into areas I can find. So I'm actually going to break this right down the line there. And now I have two different rectangles that I do know how to find the area of. I'm going to start off with this big rectangle here. I'm going to call this rectangle here my blue rectangle, just because that's a way we can talk about it. I know my blue rectangle has the length right here, which is 10, and the height right here, which is 10. So my blue rectangle is going to be 10 times 10, which is an area of 100. Put that right there. My little rectangle, we're going to make a yellow rectangle. I know its side lengths are 5 and 7. And I know I can find the area of a rectangle with 5 and 7 by multiplying. 5 times 7 is 35. So right here I'm going to put 35. To find my total area, I just add back up. 100 plus 35 equals 135. And just like that, I have my area. So let's talk about what we did there. To find my area, I wanted to start off, firstly, by find any lengths I can. The more lengths I have, the better. Because otherwise I wouldn't have known that I need a 5 here. The only way I knew that was because first I went and found that length. The next thing I want to do is to break the shape into easy shapes. And for me, and I'm thinking for you, easy shapes are probably going to be rectangles and triangles. After that, it becomes pretty easy. We're going to find the area of our shapes. Find the areas. I guess we have multiple shapes. And then add them up. Just like that, we're good to go. So I'm going to ask y'all, I know it's a short video, to please do the lesson practice. And I'll see y'all in class tomorrow. Toodaloo.